Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Live Flow Grow. My name is Christina. And welcome to my morning stretch routines. Today is day 4. We're gonna do a little bit of a full body flow. Let's begin in seated position. Close your eyes and bring your awareness inward. Bring your eyes open. Place the hands in front of you. Find your tabletop. Find your alignment. Stack your joints. Cat-cow stretch. Inhale, drop the belly down. Exhale, round back, push the floor away from you. One more time. Inhale, drop the belly down. Exhale, round. Last one. And exhale, round. Find neutral spine. Walk your hands forward. Puppy stretch. Keep the hips the way they are. Melt the heart forward. Don't go deep into your stretch. And press yourself up. One more time. Allow your heart to melt. Open the shoulders. Press up. And last one. And I'm going to stay here. Bring the forehead down. Slowly walk your hands back. Find your tabletop. Tuck your toes under. Lift the hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Pedal your feet in your downward facing dog, stretching through the backs of the legs. Keep your hands rooting down. Step the right foot between the hands, lower your back knee down, low lunge. Reach the arms up and over the head. Bring your hands down. Lift the back knee off the floor. Step back in plank pose. Lift the hips up and back. Find your downward facing dog. Left leg steps between the hands. Lower the back knee down, low lunge. Bring the hands down. Step back in plank. Lift up and back, downward facing dog. One more time, step the right foot between the hands. Lower your back knee down. Lift the arms up. Bring the hands down. Place the left hand down, Turn around and see if you can grab a hold of your left foot with your right hand. Pull the left heel in as you open the chest up towards the sky. Release. Step back in a plank, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Left knee in, step it through, low lunge. Windmill the hands down, right hand down, turn your chest to your left, bend the right foot and see if you can grab a hold of your right foot with your left hand. Pull the heel in as you turn the left shoulder up and down. Release that. Step back in plank pose. Lift the hips up and back for downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, shift forward in a plank. Bring knees down and lower all the way down on your belly. Open the arms out to the side. Lift the palms up. And see if you can peel the chest up. and release. One more time. And release. Last one. Lift the arms up first and then peel the chest up. And release. Bring the hands down by your side. Underneath the shoulders. Tuck your toes under. Press up and back into downward facing dog. Right knee in towards the chest. Step the foot between the hands. Low lunge. Reach the arms up. Bring the hands down. Left hand down, right arm up, twist, open. Tuck your back toes under, lift the back knee, high lunge. Stay in your high lunge as you press yourself up. Stay in your twist. Come back through center, reach the arms up. Windmill the hands down. Step back in downward facing dog. Left leg comes between the hands. Lower the back knee down, untuck your toes, and reach the arms up. Windmill the hands down, right hand down, left arm up, twist. Tuck your back toes under, lift the back knee up, high lunge. Stay in your twist as you press yourself up. Stay active in the back knee. Come back through center, reach the arms up. Windmill the hands down. Find your plank, lower down with the knees down or with the knees up, all the way down on the belly. Bend the elbows out to the side, cactus arms, bring the forehead down, clasp the hands under behind the neck, lift your elbows off the floor, and peel the chest up. And release. One more time. And release. Last one. Keep your elbows lifted the whole time. Extend the arms back behind you. Keep pulling the chest up. Keep lifting through the heart. Activate your abs to protect your lower back here. Bring the the hands underneath the shoulders. Press up and back into downward facing dog. Step the right foot between the hands. Straighten the front leg. Step your back foot in a little bit for pyramid pose. Inhale, reach up, lift up. Exhale, fold. One more time, inhale, lift. And exhale, fold. Last one. And exhale, fold. Breathe into the stretch of the back of your right leg, the right hamstring, the right calf. Rebend the right knee. Find your lunge. Step back in plank pose. Lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Left knee comes into the chest. Step the foot between the hands. Straighten the front knee, bring the back foot in, pyramid pose. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. One more time, inhale, cradle flat back. And fold. The last one, lift up and fold. If this is too much for you, you can place the hands on the shin and just stay here. You can use blocks. Whatever feels good for you at the moment to support your practice. Bring your breath all the way down into your left hip, your left calf, your left hamstring. Rebend the left knee. Find your high lunge. Step back in a plank. Lower all the way down on your belly. Keep the hands the way they are underneath your shoulders. Really hug the elbows in towards the midline. Hug your inner thighs, inner ankles to touch, and peel yourself up. Baby cobra. Release. One more time. And release. Last one. And release. Through your knees, press up and back and rest in child's pose. And this is how we're gonna end our practice today in child's pose. Take as much time as you need in your child's pose. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Hope you have a great day.